Hey Gearheads, do us a huge favor, hit that subscribe button down below so that you never miss a future video from us and see what we're reviewing next. And when we hit 1,000 subscribers, we're reviewing something a little bit special.
Yeah, our next milestone is 1,000, and we're gonna review the Subaru.
If you still have the Subaru.
If it's still the Subaru, yeah.
So come hang out with us, hit that subscribe button, ring the bell so you never miss a future video. All right, Matt.
Yep.
Let's see how gracefully you can do this. Not too bad.
Not bad.
My turn.
Oh my word.
What are you driving, Matt? Careful, there's a little bump right here.
Oh my gosh, Corey. I'm driving an original supercar.
I'm just gonna be smiling the whole time.
It doesn't, I can't. Oh my gosh. You gotta learn that throttle a little bit.
There's a fine line between taking care of it and driving it like it has to be driven.
Right.
And yeah.
No power steering because supercar.
Yes. You may want to turn at this next street.
Okay, the gated shifter is weird,
Yeah.
but it's cool.
You'll want to turn right up here to avoid this giant
Okay.
ditch. Giant for this car, I should say. I don't even know how to review, what to talk about. Like this, childhood dream car I am sitting in.
The ride is I don't care.
Yeah. I would go straight. Go straight. Yeah.
The clutch is I don't care.
It's stupid hot in here.
I don't care.
The gated shifter
Oh,
takes some getting used to.
indeed. Straight.
Yeah. Cross traffic does not stop.
Oh. No way.
So we have a video that just went live as of the day of this recording where we mentioned that the 707
Move, squirrel.
the 707 horsepower Jeep Trackhawk is the craziest vehicle I've been in my hometown. That changes today. I don't know that this will ever be topped.
Chin spoiler's about 4 inches off the ground.
I'm having to navigate Matt around my neighborhood to make sure he doesn't go any of the places that I know would be a problem for super low chin spoiler.
Finding second is a little tough sometimes. I don't care.
Second is where third should be.
I don't care.
First is where second should be.
I don't care. I don't care because I'm driving a Diablo. Corey. If I don't kill it again. Corey, I'm driving a Diablo.
And I would go left at the stop sign. The looks that we are getting from people in my neighborhood
Are incredible.
are intoxicating.
Trying not to burn up this clutch and trying not to kill the car.
So many things going on.
Oh my What is this?
I don't know.
What are we doing?
I don't know.
What are we doing? I don't even understand.
Oh.
I don't even get. I'm sweating. I don't
It's
care.
hot. It's hot.
The gated shifter is tough. I don't care. The clutch weighs 600 pounds. I don't care. It's a Diablo.
Is it my turn?
It's everything it should be.
Is it my turn?
If I can get out.
I want to see just how graceful the egress is.
Thanks, Corey. I am going to leave it running. And
Put the handbrake on, please.
setting the brake.
Okay.
So did you see how that, with it up, you have to hold it up, pick up and push the button and let it down because it folds down out of the way. Okay. Can I get out of the Diablo?
Do you want to?
The throttle is like super heavy and super sensitive.
There you go.
Not
My
bad.
turn.
Not bad.
My turn.
What is that? I can't hardly breathe. All right, Corey, let's see it. How does it do? How do we do it?
Well, you gotta watch your head and
Ready?
just make sure that. Yeah.
Fold in. Oh my gosh. All right.
Okay.
Seat belts, everyone.
Yeah, somehow
Okay.
this goes there.
The lap belt sticks a little bit. I don't care.
This comes here.
I don't care.
Taking off the slides.
Oh yeah, he did highly recommend
Yeah.
that.
Ah!
I unfortunately had mine on today too. So.
What's the over and under of me killing it twice?
Oh,
Where
Well,
the hell? Oh my gosh.
they're all, I know, like to take your shoes off and to feel where they at, like they're all way that go. Okay.
That clutch is so heavy.
It's so heavy. Brake. You gotta
Yeah.
pick the handle up, push the button in, and then drop it. There you go. I don't care. Over under on you killing it twice. 1.
How do you? Oh my gosh.
Whoa. All right.
I got it moving.
It's moving.
So the gas pedal is not like the other pedals. It's anchored at the bottom.
Right?
So that takes some getting used to.
Yep. And it's heavy
Yes.
and peculiar.
And it doesn't feel like a pedal until you like stomp on it.
And yeah, it's kind of stiff and wild and. Whoa.
It's life right now. It's amazing. Oh, that's
That looks tough.
yeah. I'm going this way. Sorry, dude.
Corey, we need a shop so that when we have amazing vehicles show up there, we have a nice, easy transition off the highway into our shop.
Yes.
So
Yes, we
that,
do.
you know, we don't have to deal
All
with
right. So now I am challenged with finding the pathway of least resistance
back.
back to the owner of this vehicle, who is very graciously just waiting at my house.
Yes. Waiting on us. Oh my word. I can't even. I can't.
How's it going?
Yeah, I think that was the way I came, wasn't it?
Yeah.
I'm still turned around now. You had me
Oh.
this way and that way. And
Well, I know exactly where we are.
okay. Well, that's good because I don't.
Yeah, that gated shifter.
It would take some getting used to, but I think I would like it.
I don't know. Trying to quick shift it.
Well, yeah, no.
Oh boy.
I think this is one of those that, like, you just have to do it. Like, don't baby it necessarily. Don't break it. We can't afford anything on this vehicle. Oh my word. This is absolutely spectacular.
So he did mention he's in the process of restoring it, but the exhaust is aftermarket.
It is.
Because he thought, let's have a little fun.
Yeah. And it is very intoxicating. It is a magnificent, I can't even talk. Spectacular. It sounds amazing.
4Runner's back. Come on, 4Runner. You have no idea. I'm on a hill in an exotic car that I cannot afford.
Worth more than your house. Worth more than your house and my house put together.
All right, Jeremy. I hope you're home. That was for you, Jeremy. Right in front of your house.
Right in front. Alright, we're almost back, right?
Yes. This is the way you came in.
Okay. I think I'm following. Oh yeah, there's the church. You're gonna take it back to Pollard and then
Yes.
in? Whew. Okay. It is a little toasty in here. I don't care.
All right.
Easy.
It was hard. No power steering.
It is so. It's just raw. That's it. It's just raw. And amazing. It's genuinely amazing.
I'm like,
Easy.
What gear? Okay, I'm getting the hang of the gated shifter.
You have to go all the way to that gear. There's some people getting quite the show in your neighborhood this evening, Corey.
Yes.
I love how mechanical everything is. The shifter, the gated shift, you have to swing this one big time. The no power steering. The turn signal doesn't even cancel itself.
No.
You have to get it's just amazing. Everything about it is just amazing and mechanical and raw. I'm in love. All over again, I'm in love.
I think that's going to happen a lot in this profession.
Oh.
Matt.
Yeah, but now I have to try and afford one. How do I afford this? And now we get to have conversation about the amazing stories that have come along with this car.
Ownership of this car.
I'm so excited. This is spectacular.
Brad, thank you so much for this opportunity.
This is so cool.
Made this 80s baby, 90s kid.
Yep. Mind blown. I killed it. I killed it.
Oh,
There's one.
There's one.
We got one.